So it came up actually during a Gemba walk through the welding area where we are right now. We knew this program we have here was going to be starting soon. It was coming up quick, and we knew it was going to be a high volume program, shipping about like 35 pallets a week. And not only that, this customer also requires a week's worth of safety stock. And we said, you know what, we need a solution that's going to keep it all in one place, that, you know, it's going to be clear, organized. We just have to have somewhere to put it that's easy for them to access.
Yeah.
And that's how we came up with some sort of racking solution. I would say, I mean, overall, it's been super great. Matt has always been super responsive, communicative. I mean, even just like kind, which is sometimes people miss that in sales, but not Matt. He has been like so hands-on coming in. I mean, he came in multiple times and said, hey, we're looking at the ceiling. We want to make sure there's enough clearance. Like, we're checking everything. We're checking the lights hanging down. We're not like, we want this rack to go in and we want it to go in right the first time.
Right.
And we're going to measure it 2 or 3 times and we're going to make sure it's going to fit right. And then, yeah, he said, well, let me come out and measure again. I mean, it was a great experience, always quick, always on time. I mean, friendly. Even the crew, you guys had to come in and install the rack. Wonderful. They were so fast, so efficient. I mean, same thing, friendly, kind.